our main event tomorrow evening, 8 3-minute rounds of international heavyweight boxing. Would you please welcome firstly the reigning Croatian heavyweight champion from Zagreb, Ivica Bacurin. Ivica's record includes 29 wins, 18 KOs. Former WBC Mediterranean champion, reigning Croatian heavyweight champion. Shared the ring with Tony Bellew, went 10 rounds, ladies and gentlemen. Ivica Bacurin, 14 stone, 10 pounds. And now, ladies and gentlemen, with a perfect record, 4 contests, 4 wins, 4 KOs, the reigning heavyweight champion of the Commonwealth from Putney, London, the Juggernaut Joe Joyce. £70 stone, 13 pounds for Joe Joyce. Thank you, gentlemen. We look forward to seeing them live on Dave tomorrow evening from the York Hall, Bethnal Green.